In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload your course on Udemy in just a few minutes. Whether you're an experienced instructor or sharing your very first lesson, Udemy makes the entire process simple and beginner friendly. So let's get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Udemy website. If you already have an account, log in. If not, take a moment to create one so you can access the instructor tools. Once you're signed in, look for the option that says Teach on Udemy or the Instructor tab at the top of the page. Click it to enter your instructor dashboard. Here you'll see a button labeled New Course. Select it and Udemy will guide you into the setup process. You'll be asked whether you want to create a full course or a practice test. Most creators choose the course option, so select that and continue. Next, enter your course title. Make it clear, engaging, and focused on what students can expect. You can always update it later, so don't stress too much at this stage. After entering the title, continue to the category section. Choose the category that best fits your topic so students can easily find it when browsing. Udemy will then ask how much time you plan to dedicate each week to creating your course. Simply pick the option that matches your schedule and click Create Course. Once this is done, Udemy provides a full course building template along with a progress checklist. This checklist shows you everything you need to complete, from uploading videos to adding resources and writing your course description. And that's it. You've now completed the setup. And you're officially ready to start uploading your lessons, organizing modules, and polishing your course for students around the world. Your teaching journey begins here, and Udemy gives you all the tools you need to bring your knowledge to life. Happy teaching and best of luck launching your course.